Let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision number 1 of chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. I will complete this chapter in 2 revisions. So first of all, let us see the different types of questions. First type is comparing numbers, and the second type is ascending and descending numbers. How to arrange you have to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending numbers. And the third type is building numbers. And the fourth type is reading and writing numbers, large numbers. And the fifth type is word problems. Okay, we will revise today up to here, up to this topic. And the next one is estimation and round off. And the last one is Roman numerals. Now in building numbers, we have again three types of questions. One is without repetition, with repetition, and with some conditions. Okay, and in reading and writing large numbers we have two types. One is Indian system and another is international system. And in estimation and round off we have total 5 types of questions: estimating nearest 10, estimating to nearest 100, estimating to nearest 1000, and estimating sum and differences, and estimating product. And in numerals, Roman numerals, we have 2 types of questions: writing the number in Roman and writing Roman numeral into number. So these are 2 types. So this is the different types of questions in first chapter with respect to your examination point of view, and you have to practice along with this chart, revision chart. This is a revision chart. So let us start with the first topic, comparing numbers. Okay. So in comparing numbers, I told you about some different cases with some different number of digits, right? So case number 1, comparing numbers with unequal number of digits, means in if 2 numbers are there such that in one number is having 5 digits, in other number 3 digits or 4 digits, so you can easily compare the numbers. See, the area of Manipur is 22,327 square kilometer, while that of Goa is 3,702 square kilometer. In this we have only 4 digits, while here we have 5 digits. So we can easily compare that the number having more number of digits is larger number. Okay, see, this is the place chart. इसमें ये वाला नंबर एक्स्ट्रा है, देखो 5 नंबर्स हैं, यहाँ पे 4 नंबर्स हैं. So this numbers has 5 digits, the second number has 4 digit. So 22,000, the number having 5 digit is greater, that is 22,327 is greater than 3,702. Now what rule says that if the 2 numbers have unequal number of digits, then the number having more number of digits is greater. So this is the rule. ठीक है, और जिसमें कम digits होंगे वो छोटा होगा. Right. So now we are moving toward the next case when both are having equal number of digits. Comparing numbers with equal number of digits. So I will explain with the help of one example. Uttarakhand has an area of 53,484 square kilometer, and Jharkhand has an area of 79,714 square kilometer. Which state is bigger? Now सबसे पहले हम लोग highest place पे check करेंगे, right? The highest place is 10,000. See, here 5, here 7. इसको place value में मैं लिख रहा हूँ. Highest 10,000 है, इसमें 7 और इसमें 5. First you compare these 2 numbers only. जो बड़ा है, that number is bigger. See, 7 is greater than 5. So since 7 is greater than 5 in 10,000 place, so we can conclude that 79,714 is greater than 53,484. Right? So we'll see one more example. अगर 10,000 में same है, if suppose 10,000 is the digits are same, then we will go to 1,000 place. If 1,000 place also same, then 100 place. Like that we will move on in this way. इस डायरेक्शन पे मूव करना है. लास्ट में यहाँ पर चेक करेंगे अगर ये चारों सेम है तो. राइट, विल सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. Arunachal Pradesh has an area of 83,743 square kilometer, while West Bengal has an area of 88,752. So अब हम लोग इसको प्लेस वैल्यू चेक करेंगे. 10,000 में देखो दोनों में 8 है, here 8, here also 8, and 1,000 places are different, 3 and 8. Which number is greater, 3 and 8? 8 is greater, right? See, this is the first number, 88,752, and here 83,743. These two numbers are same, and now we have to check for 1,000. So 1,000 में 8 बड़ा है, that means 88,752 square kilometer is greater than 83,743. Right? So West Bengal is a bigger state than Arunachal Pradesh. Now we'll see one example. Which number is greater, 74,580 or 74,539? देखो हम लोग पहले 10,000 चेक करेंगे. Same है, 77. Now we'll check 1,000 place. Again both are same. Now we will check for 100 place. Again both are same. Now we'll come toward the tens place. 8, 3. Which is greater? 8.
8.
Right? So see, यहाँ पे तीनों सेम आ गया है तो हम लोग टेंस पे चेक किए. अगर टेंस भी सेम होता तो हम लोग वंस प्लेस पे चेक करते हैं. राइट? सो 8 इज ग्रेटर दैन 3. That means 74,580 is greater than 74,539. Okay, so both the numbers have the same digits at 10,000, 1,000 and 100 place, but the digits at tens place are different, and 8 is greater than 3. That is why we come to the conclusion that 74,580 is greater than 74,539. So what this rule says that to compare the numbers having equal number of digits, start comparing the digits from the leftmost place, that is the highest place, towards the right. Right? So tens place same hai, so you move to 1,000 place. If this is also same, move to 100 place. If this is also same, move to tens place. Suppose this is also same, then you check for ones place. Okay, the place is the greater of the two numbers. The greater digit at this place is the greater of the two numbers. Right. So now we are moving towards one. Try this question I have taken for revision. Can you instantly find the greatest and smallest number in each row? Wait. First, greatest number. 59,785, right? This is the greatest number. And the smallest number is 18, right? Now the next question, question number 2. Why it is easy? Because the number of digits are different. So जिसका ज़्यादा digits है वो बड़ा number हो गया, जैसे यहाँ पे 5 है. So 89,423. 423. Next, which is smaller? 100, right? Next, third question, which is greatest?
75,284.
Right, 75,284. Which is the smallest here?
111.
111, right? Now the last question, which is the greatest number?
12,002.
Very good. 12,002. And which is the smallest one?
124.
Right, 124, correct. Now why it is easy? Because the number of the digits, the number of digits are different in all the numbers. Right. Now find the greatest and smallest number. First one, the greatest number is
4,892.
right, correct. Okay. The smallest number is
4,300.
right, 4,370. Now coming to the second question, which is the largest number, greatest number?
15,800.
Right. And which is the smallest one?
15,700.
15,073. So 2 questions हो गया, right? And now the C bit, which is the greatest number?
25,286.
Yes, 25,286. And which is the smallest number?
25,210.
25,210 is the smallest, right? And the last question, the greatest number is
24,659.
24,659, and the smallest number is 6,895, right? So now we are moving toward the second topic. हम लोग का first topic हो गया. Second topic, ascending and descending order. Ascending means smallest to greatest, right? छोटा से बड़ा. Ascending order. Numbers are said to be ascending order when they are arranged in increasing order. That is from the smallest to the greatest. See these numbers: 5, 7, 8, 17, 98, 203, 7,800, 15,920. So this is the greatest among all these numbers, and this is the smallest. Right? Next, descending. Descending means decreasing order from the greatest to the smallest. Ulta, reverse. Reverse of ascending is descending order. If suppose the same number we have to write, so we have to write first 15,920, then 7,800, then 203, then 798, then 17, 8, 7, 5. Reverse order में लिखना है. Okay. So now look at these numbers. 50,000 is the greatest one, and the smallest is 60. So this is in decreasing order only. So that is why this is an example of descending order. Okay. Now we'll see one example. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. See, I am going to arrange first all these numbers in place chart. Right. First, we have to see the highest place, that is 10,000. Which is the highest digit here? 7. Right. So this is the highest.
7.
और एक में तो है ही नहीं है, तो ये सबसे बड़ा है. This is the greatest number, and in this there is no number. So no digit here. So this is the smallest one. Okay. So this is the greatest and this is the smallest. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. So first number is ascending means smallest to greatest. 5,987. Next number 1 से start होगा. 16,564. Then start with 2. 28,975. Then 4 दोनों सेम है और
49,307.
wait 4, 9, 10,000 और 1,000 दोनों प्लेस सेम है. Then we have to check for the 100 place. 7 और 3 छोटा है तो ये पहले लिखो. So 49,307 and then 49,703 and the last one is 76,800. Right? So in this way we have to write all the numbers. So ascending order हो गया. Now if you write the same number in reverse order, then you will get descending order.
76.
Right. So now we'll do some questions from try this. So arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So first number is 847. Sorry, 571. 571 is the smallest one. 847. 8,320 and 9,754. Okay. So this is the first answer. Now the second one, first number is 9,801. ये already ascending order में लिखा हुआ है. Yes, already it is written in ascending order. So 9,801, 25,751, 36,501 and 38,802. Now the second question. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So in the first bit, the greatest number is 85,400. Next one is 7,861, 7,500, and the last one is 5,000. And B bit, the greatest number is 92,547. then 88,715, 45,321, 1,971.
1,971.
Right. Now, second topic is also over. Now we'll move toward the third topic, building numbers. Building numbers, I told we have three types of questions: with repetition, without repetition, and with some conditions. So first we will do without repetition. Okay. So one example I'm going to take: build all possible numbers using these 3 digits. All numbers you have to, you will not able to repeat on it. Okay. You should not repeat any number. So see, if I will fix 5 here, then this place I can write 8 or 3. Right? If I am writing 8 here, then 3 here. If I am writing 3 here, then 8 here. So I have 2 options. Right? Now, if suppose I am going to fix the 100 place as 8, ये fix कर दिए. So again in place of 10, I have 2 options, either 5 or 3. ठीक है? So 8, 5, 3 या 8, 3, 5. Now the next, if I am going to fix the head, the 100 place as 3, then for 10's place I have again 2 options, 8 or 3. So 8, 5, 3, 5, 8. So 2. So total 6 numbers are possible. Okay? Total 6 numbers are possible, and using 5, 8, 3 digits, in which the highest number is, the greatest number is 853 and the smallest number is 358. उसी को रिवर्स में लिखनी है. ठीक है? So very simple, without repetition में क्या करना है? If you have to write the smallest number, you start with smaller digits. Okay, but you should not start with 0. Smaller digits से start करना है और larger number तक आना है. और same greatest number में reverse करना है. Okay, we'll see some examples. Find the smallest and the greatest number using the following digits. Suppose here 7189 is there. So you have to start with smaller number, that is 1. Then next smaller 7. Next smaller 8. Then the last one 9. Okay. So to build the greatest number, arrange the given digits in decreasing order. And to build the smallest number, arrange the given digits in increasing order. If 0 is one of the digits, put it at the second place from the left. जैसे यहाँ पर 0 है देखो, तो हम लोग को इसमें सेकंड प्लेस में रखना है. बाकी को अरेंज करो. 1, then 5, 8, 9, like that.
9.
Okay, right. So let us start with the first question. 7189. So 1, 7, 8, 9 is the smallest number, and now arrange in decreasing order. 9, 8, 7, 1. So this is the smallest number and this is the greatest number for first bit. Second bit में 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 is the smallest number, that is 12,357. Now if we want to write greatest number, we have to write in decreasing order, that is 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, that is 75,321. Now the last bit 81059. So smallest number, I told that if 0 is one of the digits, then write 0 in second place, and the other place
0, 5.
other place you have to arrange in increasing order. So 1, 0, 5, 8, 9, that is 10,589, and the greatest number we have to write in decreasing order irrespective of 0. ठीक है? 0 केवल स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर में ध्यान देना है कि उसको फर्स्ट प्लेस में नहीं लिखना है. सो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर हो जाएगा 98510, दैट इज 98,510. ओके, नाउ विल सी द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विथ रिपीटेशन. Building numbers with repetition of digits. For greatest number, repeat the greatest digit. Okay, we'll see one example. And for smallest number, repeat the smallest digit. See, using the digits 3, 8, 6, form the smallest and greatest 4-digit number. See, which is the greatest number here, greatest digit?
8,
8. So we have to repeat 8 two times. 8, 8, 6, 3. And 3 is the smallest number. So we have to repeat the smallest number two times. That is 3, 3, 6, 8. So first we have to write smallest number. तो ये दोनों में smallest digits को repeat करो. Now the left out you have to write in increasing order. So the number formed is 3368. And for greatest number, first two place you write the greatest digit repetition, that is 8, 8. Then decreasing order 6, 3. So 8863 is the answer. Okay, now we'll see that third type of question with some conditions. So write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits with condition. Digit 8 is always at ones place. We have to fix ones place, 8 at one place, correct? 8 को हम लोग को ones place में fix करना है. चलो यहाँ पे हम लोग greatest number लिख रहे हैं, तो 8 को one place में fix कर दिए. Now the other number we have to write in decreasing order for greatest number and increasing order for smallest number. But we are taking all the digits, so we are taking 0 also. So 0 you have to write in second place for smallest number. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 9, 7, 6, right? And यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 1, 2. यहाँ पे 0 फिक्स किए थे second place में. So we'll get greatest number as 9768 and smallest number 1028. Right? We cannot keep 0 at the 1000 place. Why? Because it will become 3-digit number then. Okay. So now we'll see one more example. Digit 3 is always at tens place. So first what we will do, digit 3 को tens place में fix कर दिए. ये देखो, fix कर दिए tens place में. Now other numbers we have to arrange in decreasing order for greatest number, and 0 we have to fix in second place, and 1 and 2 increasing order. So we'll get greatest number as 9837 and the smallest number as 1032. So these are two examples for building numbers with some given conditions. Now we are moving towards the next topic, reading and writing large numbers. Okay, this is the second last topic for today's class. There are two systems of reading and writing. One is Indian system of numeration and the other is international system of numeration. So first let us recapitulate the Indian system of numeration. In order to read and write large numbers in the Indian system of numeration, we group place value into periods or groups like ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, arabs, etc. So this is the place chart, right? This is ones place, this is thousands, 1000 and 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores also. ठीक है, ये periods है और ये places है, right? In this system, first comma comes after the 100 place. ठीक है, पहला जो कॉमा लगाएंगे हमेशा हम लोग राइट से लेफ्ट की ओर लगाते हैं. मैं एक एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ. सपोज 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to start from right to left side. Okay, and 100 प्लेस के बाद एक कॉमा लगाएं, उसके बाद दो प्लेसेस के बाद में कॉमा लगाना है, right? So in this system, first comma comes after the 100 place and other commas come after every 2 digits to the left of the previous comma starting after the first comma. So this is the rule. We'll see one few example also. एक example देख लेते हैं. Let us try to read this number. So see, reading is very easy when you put comma. So यहाँ से start करते हैं हम लोग. First 100 के बाद लगा दिए. Then after every 2 digits I am putting one comma. Now this is thousands place, this is lakhs place, and this is crores place. Now it is easy to read this number. 7 crores, 32 lakhs, 50,422. Right? So use of commas makes number reading easy. So this is the number what I told just now. Now we'll see the next system, international system of numeration. In order to read numbers here also, this is divided into periods and places. Okay, we use here ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions as period. So this is the place chart, place value chart. This is ones place, thousand place, and million place, so on. So here, in the international system of numeration, commas is placed after every three place, from right to left side. Okay? So see one example. I told right to left side ही लगाना है, ठीक है, दोनों system में. But here after every three place, 1, 2, right? This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is million period. So how will you read? 7,636,902, right? So this is the two systems of numerations. Now we are going to do one question based on these two systems from exercise 1.1. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. So first we will start with this number. Okay, पहले comma insert करना है, then we have to write the name. So 3 number के बाद 100 place के बाद comma लगा दिया. Now after every 2 place we have to put. So this is thousands place, this is lakhs period, and this is crores. So 8 crores 75 lakhs 95,762. This is the first answer. And the second क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. 100 के बाद एक प्लेस कॉमा लगा दिए, फिर 2 प्लेस के बाद. सो 85 lakhs 46,283. दिस इज द सेकेंड आंसर. नाउ द थर्ड वन, 100 के बाद कॉमा लगा दिए, देन आफ्टर 2 digits वी आर पुटिंग कॉमास. सो 9 crores 99 lakhs 46. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, 100 के बाद कॉमा लगा दिए, फिर एवरी 2 प्लेस के बाद कॉमा लगा दिए. सो 9 crores 84 lakhs 32,701. So this is Indian system of numeration. Now next question, based on international system of numeration. This is very easy. After every 3 place of digits we have to put comma from right to left. So 1, 2. So this is million. Okay, 78,921,092. Here also 3 place के बाद लगा दिए, 7,452,283. एंड नेक्स्ट 3 digit के बाद कॉमा लगा रहे हैं, 99,985,102. लास्ट वन 48,49,831. So this is the first answer, this is the second answer, this is the third answer, this is the fourth answer. Just now I told. Right, now we will move towards word problems. Word problems based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And you have to read the statement and then you have to identify that which operation you have to do. ठीक है, 1 मिनट रुकना ना, मैं सेव कर लेता हूँ जो अभी तक रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ, नहीं तो फिर करंट गया तो पूरा गड़बड़. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1,094, and the second one is 1,812, 2,050 and 2,751. So we'll write every steps. Word problem में steps बहुत important है, ठीक है. तो tickets sold on first day is 1,094, second day 1,812, third day 2,050 and fourth day 2,751. So total number of tickets means we have to add. ठीक है, थोड़ा अब ऐड करते हैं. 4,2,0,1 will get 7 with no carry. 9, 1, 10, 5, 5, 10, 20. So 2 carry यहाँ पर आ रहा है. So 2 plus 8, 10 plus 7, 17. So 1 carry. 3, 4, 7. So we are getting 7,707. Okay, so this is the final answer. The 7,707 tickets were sold on all 4 days. Now we'll move toward next question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? That means we have to perform subtraction, right? So total runs he scored is 6,980, and he want to complete 10,000 run. So the number of more runs required is that we have to subtract 6,980 from 10,000. चलो subtraction करते हैं. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 0. So what we will do? We will borrow 1. जब यहाँ से borrow करेंगे 1 तो ये दोनों 9 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ये दोनों 9 हो जाएगा. 0 को मैं कट कर दे रहा हूँ. So now 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 9 minus
0.
6 is 3. So 3020. Right? Thus 3020 more runs are required. Now we'll move toward next fourth question. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? 2 weeks together. In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So this is the question, the combination of addition and subtraction. So first week में इतना book sold हुआ 2,85,891, and second week का total है 4,07,768. Now total sale of 2 weeks we have to add. चलो ऐड कर रहे हैं. 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 6 15, 1 carry, and 8 plus 7 15 plus 1 16, 1 carry. 1 plus 5 plus 0 is 6, and 8 plus 0 is 8, and the last one is 6. So we got 6,86,659. Okay, now the sale was greater in the second day. तो दिख रहा है क्योंकि ये 4 यहाँ 4 लाख से स्टार्ट हुआ और ये 2 लाख से स्टार्ट हुआ. So you can easily identify that in second week the sale is more. But how much means we have to subtract. Right, चलो subtract करते हैं. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now we cannot subtract 9 from 6. So what we will do? We will take borrow 1 from here. ठीक है, ये 6 हो जाएगा. Now 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay. Now again we cannot subtract 8 from 6. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from here. तो ये 16 हो गया. तो क्योंकि दूसरे प्लेस से ले रहे हैं तो ये जो 0 है ये सब 9 हो जाएगा. 400 में से 1 ले रहे हैं हम लोग तो यहाँ पे 399 हो जाएगा. Okay. So 16 minus 8 is 8, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, 3 minus 2 is also 1. So we are getting 1,14,877. Now we are moving towards the next question, question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Now we know that in January total days are 31, and in one day the total number of manufactured screws is 2,825. So 31 days के लिए हम लोग क्या करना पड़ेगा? इंटू करना पड़ेगा. चलो इंटू करते हैं पहले. So 2,821 first we have to multiply with 1. So 2825 as it is आएगा, right? अब हम लोग टेंस प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो यूनिट प्लेस को क्रॉस कर लो या 0 लिख लो. So 5 3s are 15, 1 कैरी यहाँ पर हो गया. 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7, 8 into 3 24. So 4 2 यहाँ पे कैरी हो गया. 2 into 3 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we have to add. So यहाँ पे 5 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, so 5 यहाँ पर आ गया और 1 यहाँ पर. 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7 and then 8.
8.
So 87,575. So this is the total number of screws manufactured. Now we are moving toward next question. Ninth question. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So first of all, what we will do, we will convert the meter into centimeter, and we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter will be 40 into 100 centimeter, that is 4000 centimeter. Now we will convert this also in centimeter. So 2 meter means 200 centimeter plus 15, so 215 centimeter. Now we have to divide 4000 by 215. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले 1 215. If you subtract, you will get 85, 185, and you have to take 0 also here. So 1850. Then 215 into 8, 1720. So if you subtract, you will get 130. So this much cloth is left, 130 centimeter. So we can stitch 80 shirts and 130 centimeter will be left. That is 1 meter 30 centimeter. Now the next question, medicine is packed in box each weighing 4 kilogram 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? तो कैपेसिटी 8000 का है और हमारे पास जो बॉक्स है, एक बॉक्स का वेट इतना है. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट एवरीथिंग इन ग्राम, एंड वी नो दैट 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 ग्राम. सो 800 किलोग्राम हो जाएगा 800 इंटू 1000. सो 800 के बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 3 जीरो ऐड कर देंगे ऐसे. सो ये हो गया 8 lakhs. And weight of one box is given 4 kg 500 gram. 4 kg means 4000. So 4500 gram. So now we have to divide. चलो divide करते हैं. So 4500, one first quotient will be 1, 4500. Now if we subtract, we will get 3500. So एक zero को हम लोग नीचे ले लेंगे. So now next number is 7. 45 into 7 होता है 315. So 31,500 हो जाएगा. Now again subtract, you will get 3,500. फिर से एक जीरो ले लेंगे. Again we will get 7, that is 31,500. So last जो बच रहा है वो है 3,500. So now we cannot put one more box because the space is very less, that is 3,500. So we can keep only 177 box in the van. So this is the final answer. Okay, so now we are moving toward the last question of today's revision, that is 12th one. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 milliliter capacity can it be filled? So first, total quantity of curd is 4 liter, okay, and 500 milliliter. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter, we know that. So 4 liter means 4000 and 500, right? That is 4500 we got milliliter. And capacity of one glass is 25 milliliter. So now we have to divide 4500 by 25. चलो divide करते हैं. First 1, 25, will get remainder 15. तो एक जीरो को नीचे कर लेंगे. So now 25 8s are 200, right? और एक जीरो बच गया तो जीरो यहाँ पे लगा दिए. So total we are getting 180. So this is the final answer. The curd can be distributed in 180 glasses. So this is the last question of today's revision, and the left out topic we will do in the next revision, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
that's all for the today's session. Thank you very much.